you the most excited?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Oh my gosh, yes.
Where are we going?
Sephora.
Sephora. Layla just wants to look at all the skincare. Gage, great job. We made it down for Gage's lacrosse games. You did great. You played really good. You played very aggressive. Super proud of you. You did good though. When you had it, you did good. You got it back at one point. You played great. Now we're at City Creek. We're gonna go to Cheesecake Factory, but it's an hour away, of course, so we're just shopping around. Taking a picture for the advent calendar because I keep forgetting. Okay. Did I tell my kids to wear coats? Yeah. Did I make sure they had coats? Yes, I did. Did they wear them? No. No, Winston. Children. Gage is the only one that got anything. Good job today. We made it home, and I feel grateful that we made it home. I'm so tired. I wasn't close to falling asleep or anything, and all the kids were in the car, so it was fine. But I'm so happy to be home because I'm exhausted. Last night I couldn't sleep, and I went to bed around like 2:30, and then I woke up because I could hear something, and I was like, what is that? And I like got up and looked around, and I was like, what is happening? And I was like, oh, that's coming from the garage. And then I was sat there for a second, and I could hear a little voice, and I was like, Winston? He had a sleepover, and they were leaving early this morning, so he came home at 5 in the morning. And for some reason thought he was just gonna break into the house. Didn't knock, just scared me. But I couldn't go to sleep, back to sleep after that. So it's been a long day, but it was a fun day. And I'm so happy that I got to see Markel, Jess, and Hayden. It was really fun. And of course, watch Gage play. He played really, really well. Now, I'm really looking forward to going to bed, but first, cheesecake. We got cheesecake from Cheesecake Factory. We like the celebration. I love the celebration because it has like real cake in there too. I'm a big cake fan and I just love it. So Layla, me, and Winston are sharing this. I don't know where the kids went. And you guys saw we did get a picture today for the advent calendar, so yay. I didn't vlog as much as I hoped to, of course. It just felt like everywhere we went, it was playing such loud music, you know? I was planning on going to my mom's family Christmas party. They did a big family Christmas party, which I was so excited about because it's been a really long time since my family's gotten together. Like my extended family, my aunts, uncles, and cousins. I was so excited to see everyone, and I don't know why in my head I thought that the party started at 7 and it started at 5, and we were still in Salt Lake, and there was just no way that we were going to get everything done that we needed to get done and get to the party, so we did end up missing the party. I'm really sad about it. Hopefully they do it again next year. Hi guys, where are you? What are you doing? Are you gonna go to sleep? Everyone's tired. Hi guys. Ready for some cheesecake? Rosie's like, I want some cheesecake.
That's not for you. You get so very sick. That's not for you. I'm so sorry.
We'll find you a different treat. Gage, you did a very good job today. I'm so proud of you.
Thanks.
Did you feel good about how you played?
You're the only one that scored in your team, Gage.
That was okay. You were just in a hurry, and it was exciting. Oh, and you got hurt? What happened here? Did you just get hit? I mean, probably. I saw you limping around and like touching your knee.
It was hurting.
I was telling Gage, it's hard for me to recognize him out there now that his hair is dark, because I'm used to like looking for your blonde hair. It's really long.
Hat okay, guys.
Huh?
Just wearing a hat, okay? Oh, my hair.
That's so funny.
This is a new style.
Are you tired?
Get it from distance. Can I have these cans, please?
No. They're for Christmas.
These black ones?
No, I already gave you a pair of your pants.
I'll trade you.
No, I'm not. I'm not budging. Cotton has buy one get one 50% off, guys.
I don't have any black sweats.
I don't care, you will for Christmas. Might get those for your Christmas jammies since ours haven't showed up yet. I need to figure that out.
Can I have my Christmas jammies today?
No. You're just always trying to talk me into things because I was given, but I'm not.
I just want them.
I was laughing so hard. Gage and I changed, well, Gage changed the light bulbs. I bought cool toned light bulbs for the house because I like how bright it feels in here. And I was watching a TikTok and it was talking about how awful cool lighting is and how it just makes everyone look like way worse.
It's frozen.
It was really funny. It's like,
Really bad.
like I like cool light bulbs because I didn't know that I looked this old. Like it was funnier than that.
I agree. Like downstairs, the lighting in my room I look way better, and then I get to school, I'm like, hey guys.
Well, I was just like saw myself in the viewfinder and I was like, oh yeah, that doesn't look good. But I like how bright it looks in here. So we have some warm lights. We have some cool lights.
Rosie looks cute.
Rosie does look cute.
You think
Coolly.
some people look good always?
I think in person.
Like, I look pretty spectacular.
You
I look good too.
Okay. Yeah, so good. Winston, did you notice that you were the advent calendar for yesterday?
Yes!
Because, you guys, we forgot again. But I did take a picture of Winston yesterday because it was really snowy, you know, and I was like, oh my gosh, let's
Why would
take
you
a picture.
do that in
Let's take a picture in the snow. I
calendar?
don't know. It's because we forgot. So that's cute, Winston. This is Layla's.
What the heck? Layla?
But we have a big family one for today. I was thinking yesterday when I was getting ready to print them off, I was like, gosh dang, I am failing at this. And then I was like, that's okay though. This Christmas is a little more difficult because I'm pregnant. It's just been, you know, things have been more challenging, and that's okay because it's memories. We're making memories. These pictures are memories of the time we kept forgetting to take pictures of our memories and what's going on. But they are all cute things.
This
you know,
one's the cutest.
it's fine.
No.
The picture of you is the cutest.
No, this is the cutest.
You think Jack's the cutest? We'll do better.
Yeah, look, Jack brought us, guys. Foot.
Oh yeah.
Where'd
Jack
you go?
brought blankets, which was perfect for today because then they took them with them on their road trip.
Look at this.
Cute. I love it. Thanks,
cute.
Jack. Thanks a lot.
And he needs a blanket too, so.
Okay, now I'm really gonna eat my cheesecake. It looks really gross. He hasn't cut it up. It looks disgusting. But it's so good. What? Yeah, I saved you some right here. Yours doesn't look as disgusting as everyone else's. Have a little tasty taste. And then you can put the rest in the fridge.